This is a very small lithium-ion battery charger. It says it is a 5-in-1 lithium charger, and it has 5 connectors on it. So you can connect 5 batteries to it. And also it has a very small power connector on the back. The ratings on this device say that it has an input of 5 volts and can draw from 0.5 to 2.5 amps. And it outputs 3.7 volts at 500 milliamps. I assume that is per port. So now let's take this apart. I will use my fingernails to open this. And I got it open. So this is the little circuit board that is inside. And there are 5 really small chips. I think those chips are the battery charging controllers for each port. And there are some other components as well. And if we look on the other side of this board, we have the 5 charging indicator LEDs and the 5 battery connectors, also the power connector. There seems to be some little dots here for various options like 300 milliamp, 400 milliamp, and 500 milliamps, but none of them are marked. So this is what's inside of a very small lithium-ion battery charger.